Hey friends, hope you're doing fine. Today I'd like to give you an introduction on a complete new function which was requested by so many people, including me, for quite some time. The interesting, or let's say curious part is that I can only talk about it, I can't really show it to you. Why is that? Because even though I have actually the latest Power BI version installed, well, based on the Power BI app at least, I still don't have the really latest release, which includes this new DAX function. So that's really a pity, but even though I cannot show it to you directly because it will show me an error, you'll see this in a minute, I still can talk about it, and hopefully you will be so excited as I am here as well. So what I'm talking about is the Networkingdays function. Now, a lot of people often asked Microsoft, why is Networkingdays not available in Power BI? And so far they were right, it wasn't. So in Excel, it was quite easy to come up with a networking day function and figure out how many working days are between two dates. Now in Power BI, we had to solve it either via M code or via some, let's say, more complex DAX. But now this is really easy. And all you need to do is actually create your new measure in here and then apply the function itself. And the way it works is, as far as I've seen at least, simply that, say, Networkingdays, days, like that is equal to, and then I go to new line, and here I can simply then use the network day. It's either day or days, I'm not sure right now, I think it's days, network day or network days, one of them, and then you simply put in your parameters. Now you see that for me it's underlined, so Power BI in my current version is not recognizing that. But I have seen it, so believe me, it is possible, and probably in the next release, the next version, this function will be available. And all you do then is simply enter dates, either from a specific dates table or orders table, or you simply use the date function like that, and then you can add a year, 2022, then July, and then for instance the 1st or the 2nd, doesn't matter, and then another date for instance, and then again I'm using here 2022. And let's say 6, and then let's say the 31st, something like that, right? And then you close it, and you're good to go. And as optional arguments, like you also know from Excel probably, you then could type in a number, like 1, 2, 3, and so on, depending on what are actually your weekends. So is Saturday and Sunday your weekend, or maybe you have a different kind of weekend structure, like Monday, or Saturday and Friday's weekend, and so on, right? This can be configured here as well, as including an additional column, as far as I know, which then is pointing to holidays, if you have something like that as well. But as I said, it's more talking me here than really showing it to you, because for whatever reason, my Power BI version, even though I have actually the Power BI app, which is normally updating automatically to the newest version, it's still not working for me. But still, I think it's a valuable contribution, this video, because it gives you at least the idea what will come in the really near future, and then you can use it. And a lot of people need to have this function, this optionality, to show something in the reports. And so far, it was not possible, but now it's coming to Power BI. Okay? So be a little bit more patient like me, and then wait for the new release, or try to download the latest version instead of using the Power BI app. Then maybe you have it a little bit quicker than me, and then you can use it and apply it in your reports. Okay? So that's it actually for this video. So hopefully that was a really helpful and announcement for you, and you can use this in the future. So thanks a lot for watching. Please like the video, please also share it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot. Take care, and hopefully see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.